All right, hello there, and welcome back to the demonstration on how to do your electronic research using the Birmingham City University Library. As you can see, I have logged into uh, the dashboard of Birmingham City using iCity. So that would be the first step where you log in. And then what you need to do is you go to BCU links. On BCU links under learning resources, you will find at the end Summon. Now Summon is the search engine that is used to do your research and to find resources from the BCU library. So you'd need to click on that. All right, now you can see a search engine. So as you can see on the right hand side here, there's an advanced option where you can do advanced research. But for now, let's just do a random research. And let's use truncation to see whether anything that starts with project management can be found. All right. So while it's loading, you could see there's an advanced search and a new search. All right. So as you can see, the search has been revealed, and there are 8,600,000 odd articles and material with relation to project management. So as it will be near to impossible to go through all 8 million material that is related to the subject that you're searching, the best thing that you would need to do is narrow down your search. Now, as you can see on the left panel, there is a number of ways you can refine your search. So when it comes to project management or any research that you're doing with regard to an assignment, it is always recommended that you use journal articles. However, if you're looking for some kind of news material on an industry in a certain country, you can use newspaper articles or magazine articles. Or if you're looking for a certain theory and reference and history of a theory, you could do and you can use books or ebooks. However, I must remind you, you aren't allowed to download ebooks. You are only allowed to download 10% of the research. But most often than not, in modern times, what we use journal articles, because journal articles are articles or literature reviews that has been done on previous research that is more modern and is published material by universities. Therefore, it comes with recommendation. All right, so now we have 2 million results for project management. We can further narrow it down and we can look for scholarly and peer-reviewed articles. As explained previously in the presentation and discussion on academic writing, peer-reviewed articles are articles where scholarly and academic peers, professors of sorts, would review journal articles and they would give their recommendation and approve these articles based on their content. Another method of narrowing down your search is basically looking for the most recent material, which would be the most modern and the latest material that would be very relevant to the industry in this time and age. So let's look at the last 5 years. So with each narrowing down of research, we can see that the number of articles and results, it becomes more specific to your area. Now, before we go any further, you are required to reference your material in a list of references in your assignment. So on BCU itself, there are different options. As you can see, you are allowed to cite this item. Apart from that, you can get a permanent link where you can bookmark this. And also you can email this article, the link to your email inbox, which is the BCU inbox, or you can save this item. But most often than not, the best tool is to cite this, which you are required to do. And you need to choose Harvard referencing style, which is used for Birmingham City University assignments. All right, now you can see the reference. What you would likely need to do is copy this reference and paste it in your list of references. But just a quick tip, I would recommend that you copy it from here and paste it on a notepad and keep track of it before you directly paste it onto Word, because then you can adjust the formatting to the correct text. All right, so let's now click on an article. Remember, I told you that how BCU works is that it gives you access to several other databases that are external databases that collect and are repositories of literature, such as Science Direct and Emerald Insight. So most likely when you click on a link, you would need to enter your BCU password and ID again. All right, so as you can see, we've got an article which is found on Science Direct, which is a database that BCU library has access to. What I usually like to do is I go through the article, and if this article is relevant to my assignment and I can use it, I would look at recommended articles which are related to this or have been cited in this. You can find this on the right panel, and if that is not available in your search engine or the database that you're looking at, you could always go to the end where there's a list of references, and you will be able to access different other articles that are relevant to your research. In order to see whether this article is useful and valuable for your assignment context and research, what I would recommend that you do is that you look at the preview and go through what is written here to see whether it is exactly what you're looking for. It is very rare that on the first article itself, you will be able to find the material that you need to look for and that is relevant to you. All right, now let's look at different other methods of researching. Most likely along with the theme that you're looking at, you might want to look at a certain other area. So what I have just done is I have put project management in brackets so that any article that has project management as a phrase within the article, it will show in the results. But what I want to do is I want to search for project management related to the hospitality industry. So now ideally what would be revealed is articles that have project management and the hospitality industry both within those articles. So as you can see, hospitality is included in this article. And most likely there would be project management also within this article. Let's have a look. I will close these articles in the meantime. All right, another thing that you could do if it's during BCU hours, you could also chat, and there will be you will be able to speak to and ask for help from someone, e-librarian, electronic librarian. And it is not a bot. Most often than not, a bot would reply, and then later someone will get in touch with you and try to help you find the research that you require. All right. Another thing that you would be able to do is always, most often than not, you will be able to download the full PDF article from the research journal or research database. Okay, I'm very sorry this is not working for some reason. Let's choose a different article. All right. While this is loading, I would like to show you how you could go into advanced research. So if you feel that you want to move directly into advanced research uh, because it is relevant to your area, please remember that if you're looking, for example, you're looking at your dissertation, you would look at two variables, which would be project management and maybe operational efficiency, for an example. And you might want to look at the hospitality industry. It is very unlikely, if you're lucky, you might find it, but it is very unlikely that you'll find an article with all three areas in it. So you will need to do a combination of research where you would have to include project management and the hospitality industry, or operational efficiency in the hospitality industry, and then look at the combination of project management and operational efficiency, and look at a variety of literature in order to get the right information that is relevant to your industry. And you would have to look at it from different perspectives, which you might have learned earlier in academic writing. So let's choose 5 years, and see you are also able to find different kinds of resources, which including audiobooks. So we'll choose journal articles, and the discipline, you can choose articles related to business. You can also choose a language, and it shows here that you can choose articles that are in Sinhala as well, but let's just stick to English to be on the safe side. All right, let's do a search. While that is loading, let's go back to what we were looking at. All right, here is the article. All right, so this article is very small, so you'll need to download it and look and read it. But if, let's see, this is an article related to the hospitality industry and the operational efficiency within it. But since we looked at project management, you can see that, you know, there's some discussion about projects within this research. All right, so that is one example of how you can combine research, combine searches. All right, so this is the advanced research that you've done. As you can see, you have 312 results. So we started with 8 million, and now we're looking at 312. Yeah, that's basically all in all how you do your research, right? So that is the main way that you could do your research. And if you have any questions, please email it to the student services team, and we will be happy to get back to you and put you in touch with a lecturer capable with answering your question. All right, thank you very much.